so tonight I will set my hair because tomorrow I want to have a curly hair. And yes, I will show you how to make it. Just a normal braid, a basic braid. So yeah, I will start now. So actually guys, I really do this because, you know, I don't want to expose my hair of too much hot, guys, you know, because I really protect my hair. I avoid all of those things. So I do it in a natural way. So I'll just do a normal braid, guys. Just divide by 3. So tonight guys, I will sleep like this, and tomorrow morning I will show you the result. Good night. Good morning. So I will just do my morning skincare routine, guys, and I will be right back after. Hi everyone, I'm back. So now I'm ready to take out this braid. So yeah, this is the overnight heatless curly hair, guys. Look at this. It's effortless. You just have to set your hair in the night time, and when you wake up you will have this beautiful curly hair. So nice. It's very far from the straight hair, guys, because when I don't have a curly hair, I look very simple. But when I have a curly hair, guys, it looks very different. And look at this, guys. It looks more elegant and sophisticated look. Look at this. The overnight heatless curly hair. enjoyed this video, please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And thank you for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Bye.